I'm sure you know what is this. Yes, you guessed it right. These are Gulgula or popularly called Gulgule. Gulgule is an extremely popular sweet and savory snack generally made during festive days like Bhaiya Dooj, Holi, Diwali, etc. With Holi coming up next week, this is a perfect recipe, very simple one. Usually Gulgula are made using wheat flour, but today we have given a nice twist to it. We'll be making healthy, sugar-free oats Gulgule today. Aren't these looking too tempting? These are mildly sweet and the sweetness is imparted by jaggery here. So let's quickly see how to prepare today's recipe. First we'll take half a cup of whole wheat flour or atta. Then we'll take half a cup of oats flour. For this you need to grind instant oats in a mixer grinder jar and simply prepare a coarse powder like this. After that we'll add 2 tablespoons of Sooji or Semolina. Semolina gives very nice crunch and taste to Gulgule, so I am adding it here. But if you do not want to add, you can avoid adding Sooji in this batter. And there goes 3/4 cup of jaggery powder or shakkar. If you have jaggery cubes, then you can melt it in a microwave and then you can add it into this mixture. Then we are adding 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf. I have simply crushed fennel seeds in mixer grinder jar and then I am adding it here. After that add half a teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch powder. Then I am adding 1 banana here. So you need to simply slice banana in small pieces and then add it. Banana gives amazing taste to Gulgule. You can even add it while you make Malpua as well. After that we need to simply blend everything together using water. So here I am using a blender to blend everything well. Do not add water in one go. Just keep on adding little water to prepare a nice smooth batter of all the ingredients which we have used here. One needs to ensure that batter is absolutely smooth without any lumps. So for that add water. Blending is done and my batter is ready. Now we'll allow this batter to rest for at least 1 to 2 hours. So friends, it's been 2 hours and here you can see the consistency of my batter. Now you have an option of preparing Malpua or Gulgule. So if you want to prepare Malpua using this batter, then you can make it thin by further adding little more water. However, in order to make Gulgula, this is the perfect consistency. If you want, you can even keep the batter on little thicker side by adding less amount of water while preparing the batter. Now in order to get nice fluffy Gulgulas, I am adding a pinch of cooking soda here. Just mix it well with the batter. And our batter is ready. I have already kept oil in a kadai for heating. Once the oil is hot enough, then start to add little portion of the batter which we have prepared and dip it in this manner. So in this way we'll keep on adding little portion of the batter to prepare small balls. And we need to fry the Gulgula on low medium flame. Do not fry it on high flame, otherwise the color will change instantly and it will remain raw from inside. So in order to avoid that, keep the flame on medium side and continue to move the Gulgulas in hot oil. Once the Gulgula turns nice golden brown in color, remove it from the kadai and take it out on a kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. So in this manner we'll fry all the yummy oats jaggery Gulgulas. Our hot oats jaggery Gulgulas are ready to serve. Just look at these. You can serve these Gulgulas as an evening snack or even as a munching snack in between main meals. These are mildly sweet, although you can increase or decrease the amount of sweetness as per your taste. Let me show you a closer look. And look at this. It's cooked perfectly from inside. These are very tasty, very yummy. I'm sure you will really like it. So friends, do try out these oats jaggery Gulgulas this festive season and enjoy it with your family. I hope you liked watching our today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.